recording the flooding incident again. Second incident of flooding at Taman Mutiara Puchong, 2nd of February. Time now is 5:45, and after 1.5 hours of downpour, we have recorded the same incident again. As you can see, all the residents wading in the water. Same situation happened again. Not much left for me to say, as this is the second time I'm taking this recording live. This shouldn't be happening, especially after the first time we have highlighted this incident. And it has happened again, so therefore I have nothing much to say except, well, authorities have let us down again.
Keadilan TMP!